Welcome back to our AI exploration series. Today, we're diving into a game-changing concept that's revolutionizing the way we build intelligent systems. Transfer learning. Imagine teaching a model to recognize cats, and then using that knowledge to identify lions. That's the power of transfer learning. Transfer learning is a machine learning technique where a model developed for one task is reused as the starting point for a model on a second task. Instead of building a model from scratch, we leverage pre-trained models that have learned from vast data sets. This approach is especially beneficial when we have limited data for the new task, allowing for faster development and often improved performance. In practice, we take a pre-trained model and fine-tune it for our specific needs. This involves adjusting the model's parameters to better fit the new task, a process known as fine-tuning. By doing so, the model retains valuable features learned from the original task while adapting to the nuances of the new task. Transfer learning has a wide range of applications across various domains. In image recognition, models pre-trained on large datasets like ImageNet can be fine-tuned to identify specific objects, such as medical images or industrial components. In natural language processing, models like BERT or GPT are fine-tuned for tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, or chatbots. For speech recognition, pre-trained models can be adapted to understand different accents or specialized vocabulary. The advantages of transfer learning are significant. Reduced training time, models converge faster due to prior knowledge. Improved performance leveraging learned features enhances accuracy. Less data required, effective even with limited new data. These benefits make transfer learning a powerful tool in the AI toolkit. However, it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Domain mismatch. Significant differences between tasks can hinder performance. Overfitting. Fine-tuning with limited data may lead to overfitting. Computational resources. Some pre-trained models are resource-intensive. Careful consideration of these factors is crucial for successful implementation. Transfer learning is transforming the landscape of AI development, making it more accessible and efficient. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below, and we'll deliver a video on it within the next 6 hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. End of video.